Hello, Jack and Nation. This is Mr. Gatewood coming to you to talk to you about your Google Drive. What's going to be different this year is that you're only going to be able to have 3 gigabytes of memory storage on your Google Drive at one time. Whenever you come back and you have more than 3 gigabytes, that means you're not going to be able to edit any files that you have in your Google Drive currently, or any files that's going to be shared with you from your classmates or your teachers in the classroom. So it's going to be really important that you are under 3 gigabytes before school starts. So what I'm going to do is give you a tutorial on how to check how much storage you have, and if you have more than 3 gigabytes, how to delete some of your large files in order to get under that 3 gigabyte threshold. So we're looking at my screen right now, and what you're going to do is you're going to look for the cloud icon on the left hand side near the bottom, and it's going to have the word storage beside it. You're going to click on that. So it's going to show you all the files that you have, and then specify what each file actually is. So if it's from your Gmail or your Google Photos or just on your Google Drive stored. What we typically see with our students is that the large files that you have in your Google Drive are going to be either downloaded videos or a lot of photos. So your files are going to go in descending order over here. Look at storage used, and your largest files to your smallest files are going to show in your storage. You need to make sure that you delete your large files if you don't need them, in order to get under the 3 gigabytes if you're actually over it. So currently, my largest file is going to be the Native Americans PowerPoint whenever I taught social studies. So if you want to get rid of your large file, you're going to right click and then you're going to click remove. Okay. And then move to trash. So you're not done yet, because even though you deleted it, it's not deleted from your Google Drive yet. It was just moved to your trash. So you need to go to your trash, and then you're going to right click and then delete forever. So once you delete it forever, it's going to come off of your Google Drive. And as you can see, I went from 1.75 gigabytes to now 1.72. So you need to continue to do that process until you get under 3 gigabytes. And just make sure before the school year starts that you have that taken care of. That's all the time that I have for you today. I appreciate you, and let's have a great year. Thank you.